Felt very scared, like at the start.
I love it, and I haven't stopped laughing.
I know it definitely changed me.
It was just very nerve-wracking.
If I could go back every day, I absolutely would.
You're gonna remember this for the rest of your life. Student-led restorative practices is where students learn leadership skills,
community building skills, and also non-violent conflict resolution skills.
What I'm hoping to get out of SLRP training is help other people, and I want to be able to lead them in the right direction.
I wanted to change my school and the atmosphere that we have.
For kids to know that every time you do wrong, you don't just have to be punished, you can learn from your mistakes.
What surprised me the most about SLRP training is the way they get you out of your comfort zone.
I had so much anxiety, but with AJ's songs and just like his interactive style,
made it feel safe, like sharing confidential things about your life.
What surprised me most was being so close with people I met only 3 days ago.
How many of us had been through the exact same thing, even though we came from all over the state.
These people comforted me in a way I've never seen before.
We are so different, yet also very similar.
We almost have the same problems, the same issues, just in different fonts.
I think it's important for students to engage in SLRP because in a lot of our schools, we don't understand what some people are going through, so we just need to make sure we understand and have empathy for everyone.
It was really emotional, and it kind of showed me that we could solve problems on our own without needing adults and all that.
It has opened my eyes to different skills I could use in my future.
I realized that I'm not alone in whatever struggles I have.
This will help me kind of deepen my understanding of myself and others, and that's something that I really care about.
It's important for students to be trained in SLRP so that we don't have to rely on adults for everything in our school.
If we get more practice of SLRP in our school, the more people will reflect on their decisions.
It's going to bring more peace into the schools, and there's going to be a whole lot less conflict amongst students and teachers as well.
I definitely hope that a lot of students could get to experience this.
Because if you want to grow in life as a person and as a leader, you need to step outside your comfort zone.
I encourage everyone to do it. It was easily one of the best experiences of my entire life.